have two ways of describing time.
Kanitha-inĩ wa Deliverance mwena wa Zimmerman kaunti ya Nairobi ni kwa munini wa mutongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto atongoririe kĩhĩri gĩa atongoria ngwatanĩro ya Kenya Kwanza igongona-inĩ rĩa kanitha.
Tunamwombea awe gavana wetu wa Nairobi.
Ruto ni ahũrĩire ndebe akĩũria muingi ugathura atongoria matarĩ yendi na marĩ na matanya mega kũrĩ ũthii wa na mbere wa bũrũri.
Si mko na nafasi mtawafanyia watu wote mema, lakini Paulo anasema lakini zaidi kwa wale wa nyumba ya imani. Sijui mnafikiriaje hapo?
Ihinda-inĩ rĩu noririe muingi uhĩmbĩria atongoria etigiri Ngai na mekumatongoria no shamba.
I want to tell the church not to be bothered about the voices. You hear voices of people who say small churches will be closed. You hear people who say they have issues with giving in church.
Akĩrung'a ciĩgiĩ ũteti wa kaunti ya Nairobi, Ruto nĩ ahũrĩire ndebe atongoria arĩa mararũgama na kĩama kĩa UDA iturwa-inĩ ngũrani kaunti-inĩ ĩno, na mũno Johnson Sakaja ũrĩa ũrahĩtahĩtanĩra gĩturwa kĩa ũgavana.
I've told our team in Nairobi, Mwafrika here, Sakaja, Millicent and the whole Nairobi team that our focus must be to clean the city of Nairobi. Nairobi can no longer be the city in the rubbish.
Ruto arekereirie mĩario ĩno thikũ nini tu thutha wa atongoria ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya kuga makarũgamia Polycarp Igathe ta gavana wa Nairobi na mũteti Philip Kaloki ta munini wake.
That this city will give God renown, glory and praise for all of those who see what happens to our city of Nairobi. The next 10 years are going to be the best that we've had in our city. Na ile team ambayo tuko nayo hapa are part of those who are going to help that transformation.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ngai wa Kamau.
Asante sana.